I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on the Scout 23 Dorado. This is a gorgeous boat. You've got to see this boat in person. Powered with the Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke. Super quiet, super smooth shifting. You're going to love the Mercury. If you haven't run one of these, you owe it to yourself to come down and test ride one and test ride it on this boat. Nice thing about the 23 Dorado is all the seating that you have in this boat. If you look towards the transom, we've got a fold-out seat there. Port side, we have a fold-out seat over there. We've got this reversible back seat right here, so you've got a lounger facing backwards. Two really comfortable captain's chairs. Look like seats that are out of a sports car. These are really nice seats. Again, you got to come get on this boat and take a look at this. Look at the hardtop on here. The stainless steel supports on this hardtop. You don't see this kind of stuff on our competitors' boats. This is what makes Scout a luxury boat when you look at the appointments on here. Your Garmin unit is flush mounted right into the dash, tilt steering wheel, trim tabs, deep bow seating area on here. Look at this. This is up to my waist on the inside here. Some really comfortable seats up front, armrests that fold down, speakers that are up here. Of course, this boat's got an anchor windlass on it. You don't have to pull your own anchor in, so we've ordered this boat with the anchor windlass. Going to save your back. This boat's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Call me for a test ride today.